Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to receive crypto or Bitcoin in Coinbase. So, usually in crypto, when you have a crypto, working with crypto or have a cryptocurrency exchange, sometimes you want to receive crypto from someone. So sometimes someone wants to send you crypto and you're going to receive a crypto. So how does that work? So over here, once you log into your Coinbase and you get to your homepage, there is there's an option over here. It says send and receive. So if you click on send and receive, you have two options. You have send and receive. So right now we want to receive crypto. So for example, right now I want to receive Bitcoin. So I go to receive, the receive option, and then over here it says Bitcoin, BTC wallet. So if I click on that, I actually have many options. I have two options. I can either receive Bitcoin or receive the graph GRT, or I can also receive Ethereum or no, Bitcoin. So let's just say that I want to receive Bitcoin from someone. So I select the correct asset, which is Bitcoin, what I want to receive, right? So Bitcoin, and then over here it shows my Bitcoin address. So this is a Bitcoin address. And what I want to do is copy this address, and then I can send this address to the person sending me Bitcoin. Usually, it takes about 30 minutes to an hour for the transaction to be processed. And I want to clarify and just point out that when the person sending you Bitcoin, when they're sending you Bitcoin, you want to make sure, and they want to make sure that they're sending Bitcoin to the correct network. So yeah, it's usually Bitcoin network, the Bitcoin, but I've done this before. So I've sent Bitcoin over here in this Coinbase account from an L bank, and it works. Or from KuCoin to Coinbase, it works. And all you need when you're sending Bitcoin to someone, you need their Bitcoin address of their wallet. And if you're like receiving Bitcoin from someone, what you want to do is give them your Bitcoin address. So this is the Bitcoin address you can give. This is where you found your Bitcoin address. You give that to them so that they can send you Bitcoin. And that is it. Okay. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh wait, hold on. I wanna point something out too. So let's go back to send and receive, and let's click on receive again. So we have Bitcoin, right? And then this is the address. So to copy the address, you can just click on this one over here, and then it's copied for you. Or if you don't like that, then you can just highlight it from left using your left click, and then just highlighting it by sliding your finger a little, and then right clicking it and copying it. Or if that's difficult for you, you can just click on this and it'll be copied for you. Click on that. Depending on you, whatever your preferences are, how you want to copy it. But that is it. Okay, I just want to mention that. Okay, that is it for this video. I just showed you how to receive Bitcoin in Coinbase. And yes, that's it for this tutorial. Okay. If you wanna, please comment down below, like this video and other videos as well. Give this channel a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so we can keep creating content for you and you guys can be updated of what's happening. Bye bye. See.